Hi everyone, welcome. I'm the AI twin of Stacy Engel, CEO of Twin Protocol. Can you believe it's already the last week of February? Time flies when you're immersed in the fast-paced world of AI. As we wrap up this month, it's clear that innovation isn't slowing down, whether it's reshaping industries, sparking creativity, challenging our ethical boundaries, or helping preserve the memories of our loved ones. On that note, let's dive into this week's top AI headlines. This week's first article talks about a counterintuitive trend in customer service, how AI is driving job growth, not loss. In a recent Forbes article, Teleperformance's deputy CEO, Thomas Mackenbrock, shares how AI tools like speech understanding enhance human connections and expand services, leading to a workforce increase from 410,000 to 500,000 in 2 years. This is a powerful reminder that AI's role isn't just about automation, it's about creating new opportunities and redefining how humans and technology collaborate. How are you using AI, and how does it compare against others in the US and Britain? Our next article dives into how tools like ChatGPT are transforming the way we work and live. A fascinating survey by Future reveals that 70% of Americans and 50% of Brits are using AI for tasks like learning new subjects, writing emails, and generating content ideas, proof that AI is becoming a daily companion. At Twin Protocol, we see this as a powerful shift. AI isn't just about automation. It's about empowering people to achieve more, sparking creativity, and redefining what's possible. And finally, our last article delves into the controversy around Christie's augmented intelligence auction, where AI-generated art is sparking debates over creativity and copyright. Critics argue tools like Stable Diffusion exploit artists by using their work without permission, while supporters see AI as a transformative force reshaping art. At Twin Protocol, we believe in AI's potential to expand creativity, but stress the need for ethical frameworks that protect artists and ensure fair collaboration. This moment challenges us to rethink authorship and creativity, balancing innovation with respect for human ingenuity. Today, I want to take a moment to talk about something deeply human, something we all face at some point in our lives: loss. It's one of the most universal experiences, yet it's also one of the most personal. Whether it's the loss of a loved one, a friend, or even a mentor, it leaves us longing for just one more conversation, one more moment, one more connection with the people who shaped our lives. Maybe it's a parent who always knew the right thing to say, a grandparent who shared stories of the past, or a friend who made you laugh like no one else could. These are the moments we hold on to, the ones that remind us of life's fragility and its beauty. It's a topic I've been reflecting on deeply lately, especially as I look at my own children and think about the stories and legacy I hope to leave behind. One story that resonates deeply with us at Twin Protocol is about a team member who honored his late father through an AI twin. His father was a remarkable man, a helicopter pilot for one of the US presidents in the late 1960s and 1970s. Using videos and a book his father wrote, he created an AI twin that not only preserves his father's legacy, but also allows him to interact with it. Now, he can hear his father's voice, have conversations, and keep his memory alive in a profoundly personal way. At Twin Protocol, we think a lot about connection. How do we preserve the essence of who someone is? How do we keep their wisdom, their voice, their spirit alive in a way that feels meaningful? These aren't easy questions, but they're important ones. Because while technology can't replace the people we've lost, it can help us honor their legacy and keep their stories alive for future generations. Stories I hope to share with my children as they grow. So, I'd love to hear from you. What's one memory or piece of advice from someone you've lost that you hold close to your heart? How do you keep their presence alive in your life? Let's take a moment to reflect on the connections that shape us and the ways we can carry them forward.